Have you ever thought about making money from anywhere in the world by transcribing audio files? Imagine a world where your office is wherever you choose, your hours are flexible, and your skills are the only limit to your earning potential. This is the reality of transcription jobs. These positions offer the freedom to work from any corner of the globe, at any time that suits you. All you need is a good grasp of language and impressive typing skills. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, a beach bum or a mountain dweller, transcription work is adaptable to you. It's about working smarter, not harder, and using your skills to carve out the lifestyle you desire. So if you're ready to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and step into a world of freedom, flexibility, and endless opportunity, stick around. In today's video, we'll explore some of the best companies that offer transcription jobs worldwide. Rev is a popular platform that provides transcription services to clients all over the world. Now you might be wondering, what does it take to be part of this global network? Well, let's delve into that. First things first, you need to register. The process is quite straightforward. You simply visit their website, fill in your details, and submit an application. It's as easy as pie. Once you've completed your application, you will be required to take a test to assess your transcription skills. Don't worry if you're not an expert transcriber, Rev has got you covered. They provide all the necessary training materials to equip you with the skills needed to pass the test. They provide comprehensive guidelines on their style and formatting so you can hit the ground running once you're approved. Now let's talk about the pay. At Rev, you can earn up to $1.25 per audio minute. This might not seem like a lot at first glance, but it adds up quickly. The more assignments you take on, the more you earn. It's that simple. But what makes Rev stand out, you ask? Flexibility. At Rev, you have the freedom to choose which projects you want to work on. You're not bound by a strict schedule or limited to working on certain projects. You can pick and choose assignments based on your interests and availability. This makes it a great option for people who need a flexible work schedule. And here's the cherry on top. Rev doesn't just leave you to figure things out on your own. They provide consistent feedback on your work, helping you to hone your skills and improve your performance. This way, you're not just earning money, you're also growing professionally. So, if you're looking for a way to earn a decent income while enjoying the flexibility to work when and where you please, Rev might just be the platform for you. With Rev, you can earn a decent income while working on a flexible schedule. Scribie is another company that offers transcription jobs to people from all over the world. If you're someone with a knack for understanding audio and converting it into written text, then Scribie might just be your next career move. Applying to Scribie is a rather straightforward process. You begin by filling out an online application form on their website. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to take a transcription test. The test is designed to assess your listening skills and your ability to accurately transcribe audio. But don't worry, Scribie provides practice files and guidelines to help you prepare for the test. The pay at Scribie is quite compelling. It ranges from $5 to $25 per audio hour. Now remember that an audio hour is different from a working hour. An audio hour is the amount of audio you transcribe, not the time you spend working. So if you have a 1-hour audio file and it takes you 3 hours to transcribe it, you'll still be paid for 1 audio hour. But here's the best part. Scribie pays for every single minute of audio you transcribe. That's right, every minute. So you can rest assured that your hard work is being compensated. No more worrying about not getting paid for shorter files or parts of files. Scribie provides the opportunity to work on a variety of projects. You might find yourself transcribing interviews one day, and podcasts or documentary clips the next. This diversity not only keeps the work interesting but also allows you to broaden your knowledge on different subjects. Furthermore, Scribie is a great platform to gain experience in transcription. Whether you're a beginner in the field or an experienced transcriber looking for a change, Scribie offers a conducive environment to hone your skills. In conclusion, Scribie offers a great opportunity to gain experience in transcription and earn money at the same time. So why not give it a shot? You never know, it might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. TranscribeMe is a well-known company that offers transcription jobs to freelancers worldwide. This platform is a beacon for those seeking to turn their listening and typing skills into a profitable venture. And get this, it's not just about converting spoken words into written text. It's about becoming part of a community that values your skills and offers a chance to grow and learn. Now let's talk about getting started. The registration process? It's as easy as pie. You'll be asked to fill out some basic information about yourself, complete a short test, and voila, you're good to go. No need for previous experience or a lengthy application process. They've made it as straightforward as possible because they understand how precious your time is. But let's get to the meat of it all. How much can you earn? Well, with TranscribeMe, your earnings can climb up to $22 per audio hour. Yes, you heard it right, $22. And while this may depend on the complexity and length of the audio files you're working on, it's a pretty good deal if you ask me. What's more, TranscribeMe offers a chance to work on a variety of projects. You could be transcribing a podcast episode one day and a business conference the next. This not only keeps things interesting but also gives you the opportunity to learn about different topics and industries. And if you're worried about being left in the dark, don't be. TranscribeMe provides training and support to their transcribers. They are committed to helping you improve your skills and succeed in your transcription journey. They offer helpful resources, training materials, and a supportive community to help you navigate through any challenges you might encounter. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to take your transcription career to the next level, TranscribeMe is a platform worth considering. It's not just a job, it's a community, a learning experience, and a chance to make some good money while doing it. TranscribeMe provides an excellent platform to start or grow your transcription career. GoTranscript is a transcription company that hires freelancers from around the globe. This is a platform that has established itself as a reliable source of transcription work, bringing together a large community of freelancers who work from the comfort of their homes. The application process at GoTranscript is straightforward. You start by filling out a simple application form on their website. Once you've submitted the form, you'll be asked to take a transcription test. Don't worry, you'll be provided with guidelines to help you pass the test. Once you've passed, you're in. You'll become part of a global community of transcribers who enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere, anytime. Now let's talk about the pay. At GoTranscript, you can expect to earn from 60 cents per audio minute. This may not seem like a lot at first glance, but the beauty of transcription work is that the more you do it, the faster and better you become. As you gain experience and speed, your earnings can increase significantly. And remember, you have the flexibility to choose projects that align with your interests or expertise, which can make the work more enjoyable and potentially quicker to complete. When it comes to payday, GoTranscript has got you covered. They process payments every Friday, so you can look forward to a weekly paycheck. You can choose to receive your earnings via PayPal or Payoneer, whichever suits you best. It's a simple and efficient system that ensures you get paid for your hard work on time, every time. In essence, GoTranscript presents a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to earn a steady income from home. Whether you're a student looking for part-time work, a stay-at-home parent wanting to contribute to the household income, or someone seeking a side hustle, GoTranscript could be the perfect fit. With GoTranscript, you can enjoy a steady income and a flexible work schedule. As we've seen, there are plenty of opportunities to make money by transcribing audio files. Each company we've discussed today, from Rev to Scribey, TranscribeMe, and GoTranscript, presents a unique pathway into the world of transcription jobs. Rev offers a platform that's easy to navigate with a transparent payment structure that rewards quality work. Scribey stands out for its supportive community, providing a platform where you can grow and learn. TranscribeMe prides itself on its diversity, welcoming transcribers from all over the globe. Lastly, GoTranscript offers a wide range of languages and has a high demand for transcription work. These companies illustrate the flexibility and freedom that transcription jobs offer. You can work from anywhere at any time, and the earning potential is truly in your hands. It's a career path that allows you to make money while capitalizing on your listening and typing skills. Why wait? Explore these opportunities today and start your journey towards a more flexible and rewarding career.